Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make this nice good pecan pie. Very easy to make. Just follow along with my video and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, I'm not going to waste time making pie shells because I've already got plenty of them in the fridge, just collecting, getting old. Anyways, what you want to do is first you want to start out by putting many holes in this as you can. Anyway, after you get all the holes in, you want to put this oven for about 45 minutes until it's done. We're not going to worry about putting weights on it, bean weights or whatever, because I find that unnecessary because you can't see on the bottom of your shell anyways after you put. Okay, into mixing bowl, I want to add in 1 cup of light corn syrup. Make sure. Okay, on top of that, we want to add in 1 cup of sugar. Then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter with some vanilla extract. And then we want to put in 2 beaten eggs. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to put in our pecans, and that's 1.5 cups. And then we're going to take this and mix this fairly well together. Okay, now I just pulled this right out of the oven and it smells so good. I'm going to let it sit before I even try to cut into it. Boy, that looks delicious. Anyways, we'll come back when it's cooled down to do us a taste test. Okay, now I'm back to check out this nice good pumpkin or pecan pie. Boy, don't that look delicious. We're going to do a taste test on that. Oh my god, that was delicious. I'm thinking about buy that. That was good. Anyways, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss another episode of my videos. And I want y'all to have a blessing day.